friend, the buddy you play with, your benchmate in school, your classmate in college, your roommate, someone from a club, or maybe your office colleague, maybe your romantic partner, the one who you share feelings with, and the one who shares with you, the person with whom you hang out in town, go to shopping, restaurants, water parks, vacation tours, or to watch movies, or you just chill and gossip with, follow and chat on Instagram, and do interesting cool stuff together. That is a friend. But what really is friendship? How do we make friends? And why do we make friends? Friendship is engagement caused by overlap of commonality in reason and in environment. That's a boring school definition, so let's make it simple. Think about any time you made a new friend, maybe when you said hi or exchange your pencil in class. You met a new friend somehow in real life or online for a common purpose. There was a commonality, both the place you met and the reason you were there. You both engaged in a conversation, or maybe you exchanged or shared something, or did an activity together. That began friendship. Those are the ingredients for new friendships: environment and common reasons. So, does that mean if they are no longer there, friendship would break? Actually, 100%. When you have no reason to be with your friend and you're not that close together anymore and meet consistently, you and your friend would eventually move on. Okay, so we know what friendship is. It's when you and someone else have a common reason to be together at the same place, online or offline. That's when you interact with each other, and that starts friendship. And it breaks when common reason is no more and the environment changes. But why do we make friends? There isn't a single answer. There are many reasons why would you like to make friends. But mainly, you want to go beyond your limitations. At the most basic level, you want to survive in a new environment, and friends can help you survive by informing you about the dangers and the uncertainty and protecting you by standing with you when you are in trouble. They might support you financially, physically, or emotionally. In most cases, in return, they'll expect the same helping nature from you as well. You also want to depend on someone if you need something, or if they need something, they can depend on you. Another reason would be pleasure. You want to gossip about stuff which you and your friends find interesting, maybe also when you're bored. You want to go to parties, cafes, movies, vacation tours, roam and chill around in towns, have fun and make memories. And you'll indulge in escapism with them like alcohol or drugs, binge watching. You might need validation to know if you're correct or if you're normal. You want to work on cool projects together and work towards a vision. Friendship adds pleasure moments in life, which makes you associate pleasure with friendship, so you crave more. And friends become a part of who you are. But it can go worse. You can have things in common, but also things which are not common. You don't really like your friends. You like the part of them which is like you. That is a problem. You can have fights and it can ruin it all. So, in the next video, we'll look at how you can get rid of this problem and get out of fights as soon as possible and restore your friendship. And yeah, do remember this secret hack from this entire video. To make anyone your new friend, you need a common reason to be together and a place you can meet consistently. See you in the next one. Bye.